I go out here, y'all. King of the rock. Top of the mountain. Whew, this only the beginning. We here, man. We out here.
Show some other things. We're walking down a big giant hill now, and then we're gonna show you some artifacts. That's what we just came down of. We found this cool bench, and this is what is engraved in it. Has this one as well. Look at all the water, guys, in this bench. Shows me all the beautiful scenery. There's a lot of boats over there. And guys, I got this needle before they went viral. This is what it looks like when you squeeze it. There's dog walkers. Here's this cool bridge. We're walking up. There's kayaks over there. People. Here's the big sewers with water and rocks.
Storm drain.
Yeah, storm drain. So here's the different wingspans of different birds. Bald eagles, great horned owl, red-tailed hawk, and American kestrel. How do you say that?
Alright, get in front of it. Spread your... She has the wingspan literally just a little bit bigger than the gray horned owl, and I'll show you long ways. Go put your arms up. Go back. Literally just a little bit bigger than a great horned owl.
And he got a great wingspan of the bald eagle, pretty much, to the tips of it. Pretty cool, guys. Water looks like up close. There's things we can walk down. Now we're gonna go to the Brickmaster Cafe if we can. There's a water fountain. This is all the food they got from this one. Then they got this one. Really? Then they got this one. And then they got this one.